Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming series. Today we're going to go over Chapter 4, Java Labs. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. This thing continues with Java. Notice some of the programs may not run as planned, but we will try to make sure we can get as many as we can to score 100%, so we at least get that. Don't know what to say about the software. I gotta say too much bad about it because it is a good tool to learn. But anyway, smash that like button and let's see what we're gonna get into with this first assignment, which is Java 4-1, understanding if statements in Java. All right, so let's go to our code, and it looks like we're working with house sign. Task. So we got a few things here to task mainly. So let's go right into it. Let's clear and initialize variables here. So we're working in Java. You need to declare variables for the following and initialize them where specified. A variable charge for the cost of the sign initialized to 0 cents or 0.0 cents. A variable number charge for the number of characters initialized to 8, and variable color for the color of the characteristic initialized to gold, and a variable wood type for the wood type initialized to oak. Alright, so we'll use comment these so we can keep track of them as well. Actually, we'll do it right here, it's already done. So declare variable, initialize variables, charge sign. Let's try this. Alright, they're already coming. So let's see if we can get this. Double charge equals 0.0 colon, and we'll give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces for the comment. Next one, int, and this is number of characters, which equals 8, and semicolon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll just line them up. They'll be all the same. Number of colors of characters, string color, capital S of course, and let's go equals gold. You see, the first thing we did was declared our variables, which is double, and called it charge, int, call it number of characters, string, call it colors. So these are the type of variables they are. This is the name of the variable, and here is where we assign it to a value or to a color or whatever it is. So that's what we're doing here. Type of wood, it's going to be a string, wood type. Line these up. Alright, so that looks manageable. Got wood type oak, color gold, number of characters 8, and 0.0. Alright, write and an if statement here as appropriate. Let's see what we're trying to do. Write the rest of the program using assignment and statement, and if statement as appropriate, the output statement are written for you. The example of the program is shown. The charge for this sign is $82. So that seems kind of so. All signs first. Output charge for the sign. So let's do that. If the number of characters are more than 6. We're going to ask these questions. And Alright, let's get this going with, just got to charge, let's say $82. Charge for the side is $82. So charge equals 82. So charge, so it's double 82.00. And then we'll do slashes again. All signs are integers. Don't matter. So it's the double. Alright, so it's double, so we don't need the dollar signs. Got that. Alright, so let's go. Is the number of characters more than 6? It's a question. It's a comment, so it doesn't matter. Still, let's do the if statement. So if character is greater than 5, and that's let's charge discount. So characters charge plus equal. No, characters minus 5 times $4. Okay. Alright. Let's do 35. I think this is 35. Still 35. Okay, so we can play with these numbers. Like this is an example. Okay, here it is. Charge for all sizes, number $35. $4.28. Okay, got it. Okay. Where are we at? 35, 35. So we did the times 4. Here's the wood type oak. So here. So we'll do another one starting with comment. So here's the wood type oak. So oak is, let's go if space wood type dot equals yes, because it's string. It's a string, so dot equals and then quotation, and it says exactly oak. Let's do another bracket. Because he already gave me my second bracket, so I'm not going to close it yet until I get to the next slide. Alright, so let's go. Right there, type charge plus equals equals 20. 0, 0. Check that. Yep, the sign is made of oak. At $20, no charge is added to pine. So oak is $20 extra. 35 to $40 charge for each additional character. Black or white character. Okay, get to that one. next. Okay, charge $20. So next one is character color gold. Remember your comments, you can put, you're really spelling, you're talking to yourself, you're not coding in your comments, so you don't have to, you just have to remind yourself what the if statement's about. So same thing, we go if wood type equals no, if color dot equals gold, same way as I did this one. Just do this, copy and paste, this time color. No typo in there, so just be color dot equals by bracket color dot equals gold. Go down, tabs, charge plus equals space, that's 15, so $15, and semicolon. Alright, so next, output charge, system out print F, that looks like, make sure that's done right. System out print line, the charge for the sign is $9 charge. And colon, yeah, that looks good. We'll run it, let's take a quick look at it again. Double charge. Integer, number of characters, string, color, string, wood type, $35. Right, so let's run it and see if we got, they want us to get $18. So far, I'm having problems printing out anything in Java. Let me try my code. Hang on, verify that. Code on my simulator, so I'm going to use my real IDE, Visual Basic actually. I'll try to run the same program on here. See what I get. It's going to be the same. Let's see. There it is. The charge for the sign is $82. So something's going on with my Java code. If I can figure it out, great. If not, like I said, if you get the code, if you get the green and the 100%, then you'll get the grade. But let's go back and check on the simulation. So now it got me at 26.857%. And so something wrong. Let me check this again one more time. Get it to run that. Let's do that again. So we run it. We get the charge for this sign is $82. Let's look at the code over again. It's number of characters. Double charge. Everything is correct. Make sure you look it over again, because when I copied and pasted from my IDE, it means I did have something wrong here, but I wasn't able to pick it out. So sometimes when you look at code too long, you get those crazy eyes. Let's go ahead and calculate the grade, make sure it did go through correctly. And I'll give it a closer look. Characters -5 times 4. Yeah, it takes about a minute or so to calculate. So let's see here. This ran no problem. Charge $82. You can look at that too. You freeze that just in case if you're still having problems running that. Okay, let's go back there. Alright, so we got our 100 and we got our 2 tests that turned green. So yes, let's move on to the next one. If you do need that code, like I said, I'll scroll through it one more time, kind of fixate on it, kind of see if you got any squiggly lines or anything. If you do, put your attention there first. All right, but all right, let's move on to our next lab. So lab 4-2 in Java will be understanding if-else statements in Java. Let's go and see if our code is loaded up yet. Still loading. All right, in this one, this tab, you complete a pre-written Java program that computes the largest and smallest of three integer values. The three values are -50, 53, and 78. The instructions: two variables named largest and smallest are declared for you. Use these variables to store the largest and smallest of the three integers values. Three variables have been declared for you: first number, second number, third number. You must decide what other variables you will need and initialize them as appropriate. So task 1, write the rest of the programming using assignment statements, if statements, or if-else statements as appropriate. There are components in the code that tell you where you should write the statements. The output statements are written for you. All right, that's good news. Largest value 78. Okay, so let's go ahead into it. Let's start with declaring our variables. So we need more variables. And let's try this int biggest, largest, smallest. So we'll just finish up the variables first. Let's go ahead and make it space. Int. Let's call it big one. Big one, comma, small. All right. Another integer. Big 2, small 2. Let's do that. Camel case, we don't need the capitals. So, first number, okay, 8. Let's try first number equals, so the first one was -50. Yeah, -50. Integer, second. So you know that if the number was a decimal, a dot, was a 50.00, it would be double space first number equals. But since it's an integer, we're just doing those two digits. 3 are those whole numbers. Int. Third number. Equals 78. Alright. Next. Okay, now we're going to write the if statement, so let's go ahead and give this some space. So if number, first number is bigger than second number, that's the first thing. If big one equals first number. First number. One equals first number. Yes. And then the small one equals second number. Big one with first number, small one with second number. Let's go with else outside of these brackets. Let's go with else first. mess it up, but give it a shot. Right? Here, we're going to do a if else, another if else. So if first number, if second number, change second first. So this time, make 2 small 2. Second number, third number. Got one, and we've got. I'm gonna run it first, then I'll run through it if it works. That's why you sent me. So that's ready. I don't see any mistakes. I did. It's just everything's spelled right. So let's see what we got. All right, so we got through it. The largest value is 78. The smallest value is negative 50. And that's what we got. Let's calculate that grade. While we're waiting for that, let's run down our code. So we added from largest to smallest. So it equals big 1, comma, small 1. Another integer, big 2, small 2. Another integer, first number equals negative 50. Integer, second number equals 53. Integer, third number equals 78. So if you wanted to play around with this, you could change those numbers, but for the grading purposes. Next, if statement, if first number is greater than second number, then big 1 equals first number. Small 1 equals second number. Which means the biggest number, it will be the first one, if the first one is larger than the second one. The small one will be the second one. Or else, just say big 1 equals second number, and small 1 equals first number. If the second number is larger than the third number, then big 2 equals second number, small 2 equals third number. Or else, big 2 equals third number, small 2 equals second number. If big 1 is greater than big 2, largest equals big 1. Else, largest equals big 2. If small 1 is less than small 2, then smallest equals small 1. Or else smallest equals small 2. Alright, so yeah, we did get 100. We did show green on that one. And everything looks good. So if you take a good look at the code again, make sure you got your brackets. You should always have the same number of brackets open and closed. See these right here? So if you get an error, that's probably missed a bracket or got one too many. Alright, so that was it for the Java 4-2. We'll start another video for 4-3 and 4. Alright, so thanks for joining. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful day.